In part 2, we want to learn how to evaluate functions. So given that g of x is equal to 4 raised to the x, and f of t is equal to 4 times t minus 1, we want to evaluate the following functions with the indicated values. So in question number 26, it says that we want to find g of 2. Because we're looking at the g function, we're going to be plugging 2 in for the variable in our g function. So we would get 4 raised to the second, which is just 16. So g of 2 is equal to 16. Then if we take a look at number 27, 27 asks us to find f of 6. Since we're using the f function, we're going to come to this function here, our f of t function, and we're going to take the 6 and plug it in for the t. So it's going to look like the following. We would have 4 times 6 minus 1. 4 times 6 is 24, and 24 minus 1 would give us an answer of 23. So f of 6 is equal to 23. If we take a look at question number 28, f of negative 2, again, we're using the f function, so we're going to choose our f function up here, which is the 4t minus 1, and we're just going to replace t with that negative 2. And we would get 4 times negative 2 minus 1. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8, and negative 8 minus 1 would give us an answer of negative 9. And lastly, question number 29 asks us to find g of 3. Since we're using the g function, we're going to come back to our g of x function up here, which is 4 raised to the x, and we're going to take our 3 and we're going to plug it in for our x. And so we would get 4 raised to the third, which is 64. So g of 3 is equal to 64.